Get ahead of the competition. Save this video and unlock the 100 questions that will boost your class 10 maths preparation. Question number 61. A shopkeeper gives books on rent for reading. She takes a fixed charge for the first 2 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Rahul paid 22 rupees for a book kept for 6 days while Anand paid 16 rupees for the book kept for 4 days. Find the fixed charges and the charges of each extra day. Okay, so there is a fixed cost and there is a variable cost. Let's start. So first of all, let's assume that the fixed charge is X rupees, and then after the variable charge from second day, that is Y rupees. From third day onward, we have to pay Y rupees extra for each day. So Rahul kept the book for 6 days. So you can see for first 2 days he have to pay X rupees, and thereafter for every next day he have to pay Y rupees. So for 6 days he has to pay X plus 4Y. Okay, and he paid 22 rupees. So we got the equation X plus 4Y equal to 22. And Anand kept the book for 4 days. For first 2 days he has to pay X rupees, and for next 2 days he have to pay Y and Y, 2Y rupees. So for total 4 days he has to pay X plus 2Y, and the total cost was 16 rupees. So X plus 2Y equal to 16. Equation number 2. Okay, let's solve these two equations. So let's subtract the second equation from the first equation. So X plus 4Y equal to 22 and X plus 2Y equal to 16. So we are subtracting, so change the sign of the second equation. X minus X will get cancelled. 4Y minus 2Y will give you 2Y, and 22 minus 16 will give you 6. So 2Y equal to 6 will give you Y equal to 3. Then we will substitute this value of Y in the equation number 1. So X plus 4 into 3 equal to 22. 4 into 3 will be 12, and 12 will go on the right hand side. So 22 minus 12 will give you 10. So X is equal to 10, which means the fixed charge for first 2 days is 10 rupees, and after that for each day we have to pay 3 rupees.